Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're planning a trip to the United States for tourism, visiting family or medical treatment, you'll need to apply for a B2 visa. One of the key parts of this application is a well-structured visa request letter, which provides the US Embassy with clear details about your travel plans, financial stability, and ties to your home country. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to write an effective B2 visa application letter. So if you're applying for a B2 visa and want to ensure your letter is well written and professional, keep watching. Sender's information, identifying yourself. At the top of your letter, you need to include your personal details. This helps the US Embassy or Consulate quickly identify your application and have your contact details readily available. Make sure to include your full name, your complete address, including city, zip code, and country, your email address, your phone number. For example, this section should look like this: John Doe, 123 Main Street, London, SW1A, 1AA, United Kingdom. johndoe@email.com, plus 4421 2345 678. Having this information at the beginning makes your letter professional and well organized. Date, indicating when the letter is written. Next, you need to include the date when you are submitting the letter. This is important for record keeping and helps the consular officer know when the application was made. For example, April 15th, 2025. Make sure the date is correct and formatted properly before submitting your letter. Recipient's information. Addressing the US Embassy or Consulate. Now, you need to correctly address the letter to the US Embassy or Consulate where you will be applying. This section ensures your letter is directed to the appropriate authority handling your application. It should include the name of the US Embassy or Consulate, the full address of the Embassy Consulate, the city and country where the Embassy Consulate is located. For example, US Embassy London, 339 Elms Lane, London SW 117 US. United Kingdom. Always double-check the address of the US Embassy or Consulate where you're submitting your application to ensure accuracy. Subject line, stating the purpose of the letter. Your subject line should be clear and professional, helping the consular officer immediately understand why you are writing. Use B2. Visa application for tourism. Purpose of visit. This ensures your application is properly categorized for processing. Salutation. A respectful greeting. Since you are addressing an official at the US Embassy or Consulate, use a formal greeting, "Dear Consular Officer." This keeps your letter professional and suitable for official communication. Opening paragraph, stating the purpose of your visit. In your opening paragraph, clearly explain why you are applying for a B2 visa and provide basic details about your trip, including your planned travel dates and accommodation arrangements. For example, I am writing to apply for a B2 tourist visa to visit the United States for tourism. I intend to travel from July 10th, 2025 to August 5th, 2025, and I will be staying at the Grand Hotel, New York City during my visit. This paragraph should be clear and to the point, providing essential details so the consular officer understands your request right away. Reason for visit. Explaining the purpose of your trip. In this section, elaborate on why you are traveling to the US. Be specific about your plans, whether it's for sightseeing, attending an event, visiting family, or receiving medical treatment. For example, the purpose of my visit is to explore major tourist attractions in the United States, including the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and the Grand Canyon. I have made all necessary arrangements for my trip, including hotel bookings and a detailed travel itinerary. If you are visiting family or friends, mention their names, relationships, and locations. I will also be visiting my sister, Jane Doe, who is a US permanent resident living in Los Angeles, California. She has invited me to stay with her for part of my trip and has provided an invitation letter confirming the details of my visit. If you are seeking medical treatment, mention the hospital, doctor's name, and the nature of your treatment. Clearly explaining your purpose helps build trust and transparency, making your application stronger. Employment and ties to your home country, proving you will return. One of the main concerns for consular officers is ensuring you will return to your home country after your visit. To strengthen your case, mention your employment, family, or financial commitments that prove your intention to return. For example, I am currently employed at XYZ Corporation as a marketing manager, and I've been working here since 2015. I have strong ties to my home country, including my job, family, and financial commitments, and I fully intend to return upon the completion of my visit. You can also mention property ownership, dependent family members, or an ongoing business to further establish your ties. This section is crucial because it demonstrates your strong connection to your home country, reducing concerns about visa overstays. Supporting documents, strengthening your application. Providing supporting documents is essential for proving your eligibility for a B2 visa. Listing them in your letter makes it easy for the consular officer to review your case. I have attached the following supporting documents for your review. Completed DS-160 confirmation page. Valid passport. Employment verification letter. Bank statements as proof of financial ability. Travel itinerary and accommodation details. Invitation letter, if applicable. Any other supporting documents required. These documents provide evidence of your financial stability and strong home ties, which are key factors in visa approval. Final request and contact information. Before closing, politely request that your application be considered and offer to provide further details if needed. For example, I kindly request you to consider my application and I am available for an interview at your convenience. Please let me know if any further information is required. Thank you for your time and consideration. This ensures you maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout your letter. Closing and signature. End your letter with a professional closing. Sincerely then, write your full name below, John Doe. This simple yet formal ending leaves a positive impression. And that's how you write a B2 visa application letter. By following this structure and including all necessary details, you can create a strong letter that supports your visa application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices. If you have any questions or need help with another visa letter, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.